good.
Matt doesn't have his on.
Where are we going? Up here? You guys want to shoot up here?
They're over there.
Where are they? Over here?
No, we're leading the way. Look behind us.
Oh, yeah!
Hey, over here?
Ow.
Shit, what the hell was that?
Fuck.
Hey, over here?
Yo, hit play, hit play.
They're not down here. Hostile Heights is right there.
Wait, what the heck do you guys hear? I just hit a stick. That's what cracked. Come on, guys. Got one.
Some guys staying there.
No.
We got this.
Nick. Okay, yeah, let's go. Check it, let's stay here.
Alrighty.
Hold for fun.
Huh?
Hold for fun.
Just see, oh shit, Tango! I see, where are our guys?
There's green tape right there.
Did they really just flip the key? They just flipped the key. Oh shit, man. Nope. What? I never been this far back.
Huh?
I never been this far back.
You never been back here?
Not this far. Who's that? Who's that?
Doctor. Nick, move up. Come here. Move to me. Nick, move to me.
Should I tell these guys to defend it? Oh no, these guys are copying us. They're moving up with us. They're all moving up.
Nick. Stay here.
Hawk wing. Yeah, let's just all move up.
Hold on.
We have to stay here.
Where'd you get them at?
From Nick?
Oh,
badass.
Yeah,
Really? You guys really flipped the key?
Yeah. We're supposed to. They're not.
Nuh-uh. Not for this game. Is that rope's the boundaries, right?
Shoot straight. You're not gonna get that much range because of the smaller spring, but shoot straight.
Yo, guys, let's form a defensive line. Guys, Lucas, me and you, we can form a defensive line.
Don't worry about it right now, Nick. We're going to play. Quit that play.
You have the
Move to me.
Here,
Push her leg up.
Come on.
There's an auto pass. Yeah. I'll carry your second. Follow me. Now, hold on, Lucas. I can carry the thing.
Alright, let's go.
Just follow me.
Let's just form a defensive line. You gonna move up to the trench?
We're going to try to get our sniper on top of the hill. Here, where are they at? We're going to try to get you on top
Here,
of the
come
hill.
on.
gotta pick some people off up here. Get up there. Pull me.
Frosty.
They're blue.
Let's get up. Fuck. Let's get up here to this bush. These bushes.
Yo, Nick, those are friendly. They're blue.
They're blue. Alright, you guys, let's move up here. Get up on the hill.
Nick, this way. Tell Nick this way. This way in the woods. Those are friendlies.
Alright, let's push up. Push up to here, Nick. Or, Lucas. Let's go to this cover.
What are you shooting at?
There's nobody over there. Oh. Fucking dumbass.
Nick, watch these woods.
Oh, wait. They got that trailer.
Huh? Matt, get up there with him.
Stay with Nick.
Watch these woods.
Okay, you're gonna fall back with your squad. Because remember, we gotta move with the whole entire squad. So let's tell them that we're gonna move up.
Nick, you're gonna have to warn us. You're gonna have to warn us if there's people coming, so we're gonna go back to the squad, okay? Okay. We're defending.
Alright.
So you're gonna screw with this top, by the way.
You're gonna screw with it?
No, it's screwed. I don't know where the
Just play with it.
I don't know where it's at.
That's it right there. Move forward and backwards. I just moved all the way forward. You just wanna walk on the tracks?
Huh? Now I'm getting hot.
I know, same. I got foggy goggles. It's hot out now.
Look at that post sign down there. Dead accuracy.
I like this gun. Fucking goggles.
Can I shoot up at Nick if he's in the lake?
Huh?
I'm gonna keep Nick awake.
Yo, let's move back up there.
How you doing? Actually, it was right behind you. I know it did because I saw a bullet. Someone else shot that. I don't know. As a matter of fact, I shot right behind me.
Fucking foggy ass goggles.
I don't know.
Where's a ref? Is there a ref around here? kill rag doubles as a eyeglass cleaner.
There's barely left.
Put this kill rag away. That in there good.
A little bit more. Just so